Springfield.
Pigeon, pigeon. There we got pigeon.
La taberna.
Baskin hot dog.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good.
Thank you. You'll be able to get through.
Request the first floor?
You can request it.
I don't know. I think they left them halfway there.
You can take the wheelchair with you.
Like the last one?
You saw me. Knock down to this old baby bubbles, and I'll give you a praise well of a king. Well, I'll take a milk and eggs over a stuffed titty bear any day.
Okay, you guys can move all the way in for me.
Congratulations! The line's almost over. Only 45 more minutes. Just kidding. I have no idea how much longer it is. So here to entertain you are Itchy and Scratchy.
Hey, those are just two drunks you fished out of the gutter.
That's a lie.
You're fired. And leave the suit.
Drunks you fished out of the gutter.
That's a lie.
You're fired. And leave the suit.
I couldn't stay off.
Go! Keep the suit! One word of warning that may mar your otherwise enjoyable day in my park. There's a psychopathic killer on the loose. His name is Sideshow Bob, and he used to work for me. For some reason, he hates me. Then Bob tried to frame me for robbery. and he was foiled by the Simpsons. And now he's vowed to kill them all, even the baby. 6 months ago, Bob escaped from the Springfield penitentiary. He is rumored to be in the vicinity of this park. But rest assured, my Cracker Jack security team has everything under control. I'm sorry, does anyone know which end the bullet goes in?
Alright, my rope right here, gonna go.
Yeah, look at my body.
Look at how big my gut is. Why are you still thin?
So, it like sits right there.
Oh my god, look, the second chin disappeared.
Actually, stop. Alright, everyone, stay clear. Y'all know the doors, please.
Hey, Bob, we'll never... Dad!
I waited in line an hour for this thing and I'm riding it. Now hop in.
Now the last thing you'll ever see. A legally required safety video. Ah!
Here are some brief guidelines to ensure a safe and pleasant experience. When the doors open, move immediately into the vehicle boarding station. Walk, don't run. Take your seats in an orderly fashion, and please watch your head as you enter the vehicle. If you have difficulty dealing with small spaces, make the Krusty crew member aware of this before entering the vehicle. Once you're seated, please pull down on the lap bar.
Alright, everyone, sit down. Time's a wasting. Fancy all right. The sooner I can hit the bathroom. Sit down already. Sometimes your mom can pillow.
Watch your arms and
Make an annoying noise until you sit down. Okay, right
Thank you.
over. Kidding.
Don't worry, folks. Your comfort and safety is in the hands of highly qualified teams like myself. We're required to take an extensive training course and not wear facial hair. Enjoy yourself, but keep the screaming down. I have a math test to study for. If I don't get a C, I get kicked out of the audio-visual club. Oh.
just play it off.
Please keep it inside the vehicle at all times. Touching the doors over the hood will cause your vehicle to stop.
I've taken over every area of the park. There's no place you'll be safe from me. And now, enjoy a ride that's about to be demolished while you're riding it.
Hello, roller coaster. Sweetie, I won't tell you an amusement park as long as you have a dime left in your pocket.
There's nothing you can do. You're about to die.
You sound like my doctor.
Ah, my next big tip. So anyway, where are you all?
Well, not only are you not killing us, I'm having fun. Oh, that's a load of crap. Pull out! Hey, I can see your car! You guys haven't seen a giant steel ball, have you? You want to hurt me, ball? We're going to bring it around and never finish high school.
A magical journey through my mouth. The kitty ride. Oh, who's precise?
And begs to differ. Shut up! Say we.
Alone at last.
Trying to kill the kids.
It just gets better and better.
Go,
your pants for the last time? Well, thank you. All right, continue playing.
By the way, now I'm very wet. Stay away from the rail. Okay, this is no longer fun.
Now for the unkindest cut of all.
The radiation hit your Maggie.
Boy, they grow up so fast.
I'll give you back your pacifier if you destroy Springfield.
The baby is wet, I presume, cricket.
They're gonna change that diaper. Home sweet. No! Foolish earthlings, don't you know all rides must end near the gift shop? My bosoms are flapping, my friend!
This must be the one I gave you a picture. Okay, smile.
5 seconds to kill somebody. Hello, folks.
What a horrible nightmare! Thank God this ride is over. Let's go again.
Well, it's all right. Hey, what does this do?